Hey everyone, this is Lazy Trader, and in this video, I'm going to give you a clear and honest overview of the Exness trading platform, so you can decide whether it's the right choice for you. Let's break it down simply. Exness is a broker that focuses on CFD trading. That includes Forex, commodities, stocks, indices, and crypto. Important to understand, you're not buying assets, you're trading CFDs. A CFD, or contract for difference, means you're trading price movement only. You don't own the asset. You're entering a contract with the broker based on price changes. If the price moves in your favor, you profit. If it moves against you, you lose. Simple as that. Exness provides multiple platforms, its own trading terminal for desktop users, and a mobile trading app. It also supports MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are considered industry standards. Now, let's talk about the fees. Exness mostly uses a zero-commission model. That means it earns through the spread, the difference between buy and sell price. This is very common in the trading industry. Now, the big question, is Exness legit? Short answer, yes, it is a real broker, but there are important nuances you need to understand. Exness operates globally and has offices in different regions. It is a large, established company. However, not all of its entities are regulated in the same way. Some Exness divisions that serve retail traders are registered in offshore jurisdictions. What does it mean for you? It means less regulatory protection and fewer guarantees for your funds. For example, there may be no investor compensation scheme if something goes wrong. Also, Exness is not available in some highly regulated regions, like parts of Europe. For many traders, this is a warning sign. On the other hand, the company has strong user feedback and a solid reputation in many markets. So overall, Exness is a legitimate platform. But whether it's right for you depends on your priorities. If you value flexibility and easy access, it might work for you. If you prioritize strict regulation and maximum protection, you may want to consider alternatives. That's the honest breakdown. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and see you in the next video. Bye!